What's your holiday favorite in My Talking Tom Friends? Hot cocoa or gingerbread? The ugly sweater or the snowman costume? Having fun in the house? Playing in the snow? Or just a bit of everything? Turn on the Winter Wonders and celebrate with My Talking Tom Friends. Download now and play.